Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply install NVIDIA drivers without any bloatware, completely clean by the simple user called NVCleanstall app. So how you can simply download and install it, it's very simple. You have to open any of your favorite browser and then simply come over into the search option, and here you have to search for NVC Clean Install. Here it is, and then you're going to get the website from Tech Power. So if you click on that, it will take power, and then click on the download option and select your server. So simply select your server from here. I'm going to go for United States and click on download. After complete the download, you can simply see, click on the folder icon. Here it is. Click on install. Click yes for the permission. Minimize everything. And as you can see right now that the NVCleanstall is rightly downloaded in your computer. So I don't have any graphics hardware, that's why it's not showing anything. But if you're using NVIDIA, then you can simply get the driver updates from here. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.